Electrical wiring is commonly understood to be an electrical installation for operation by end users within a building, an engineered structure, or a designated outdoor location. It includes the cabling and associated devices such as switches, distribution boards, sockets and light fittings, but does not cover the transmission of electrical power to the installation. Such wiring is subject to rigorous safety standards for design and installation. Allowable wires and cables types and sizes are specified according to the circuit operating voltage and electric current capability, with further restrictions on the environmental conditions, such as ambient temperature range, moisture levels, and exposure to sunlight and chemicals. Associated circuit protection, control and distribution devices within a building's wiring system are subject to voltage, current and functional specification. To ensure both wiring and associated devices are designed, selected and installed so that they are safe for use, they are subject to wiring safety codes or regulations, which vary by locality, country or region. The International Electrotechnical Commission (IEC) is attempting to harmonize wiring standards amongst member countries, but significant variations in design and installation requirements still exist.